Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to enjoy cooperative play in Green Hell. While many survival games offer split screen, Green Hell focuses on a different co-op experience. You can join forces with up to 3 other players, making a total of 4 survivors, to tackle the Amazon's dangers together. This guide will walk you through setting up and joining a multiplayer session, ensuring you and your friends can face the wilderness as a team. To host an online co-op game, first launch Green Hell and navigate to the main menu. From there, select the co-op option, then choose Host Game. You will be able to customize various game settings, including the difficulty level and whether your session is public or private. Once your game is set up, use your platform's built-in invitation system to invite up to 3 friends to join your jungle adventure. Joining a friend's game is straightforward. Make sure your friend has already launched their co-op session and sent you an invitation. You can accept this invite directly through your gaming platform's notification system. If you prefer, navigate to the co-op menu in Green Hell and select Join Game. Here, you can find and connect to your friend's hosted session, ready to dive into the Amazon together. Cooperative play in Green Hell significantly changes the survival dynamic. With up to 4 players, you can divide tasks, making resource gathering and base construction much more efficient. Effective communication is key to navigating the dangerous jungle, sharing vital information about threats or resources. By working together, sharing supplies, and combining your skills, your team will have a much better chance of surviving the harsh Amazonian environment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.